Sing out on you. Oh no, I know I do. I actually think that all Saints are very much underappreciated for what they are. They are the best girl band of the 90s. Yeah, absolutely.
Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.
Good morning. So it is Tuesday morning and I have got a few store visits to do today. So I am going to head off, get to work, get it done, and then afterwards I'm going to be driving to Leeds because I'm meeting up with my friend Al, who you may remember from the Lisbon vlog. And also we're doing something really cool tonight, so let's go, let's get stuck in. I've just finished in the traffic centre and I am now about to set off for Leeds. I'm going to check into the hotel, drop my stuff off, and then I will go and meet my friend Al, and we're going to go to the German market, and then we have got tickets to go and see the All Saints. We just got to the hotel and I thought now would be a good time to show you the hotel room, and again they've upgraded me, which, you know, always appreciated. And I think it's always down because I joined the loyalty scheme. So little tip for you, if you want to be upgraded and you're staying in a hotel, then join the loyalty scheme. But look at this, it's huge. How do I get myself into these situations and these hotels? What's dead funny as well is that actually last time I filmed Vlogmas was last time I stayed in this very hotel as well, and the room was not as nice as this, I have to say. Look who it is! Milk it real good, baby. Yes, baby. We're here at the gig and we're so pink. 2 pinters for tradition. Not that innocent. So we're just waiting for the All Saints to come on. Where's the car? Oh, there it is.
Take me to the beach. You know.
Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way.
So a few questions that I need to know.
How you could ever hurt me so?
No, I've got a few questions.
You and I know you like to party, baby, and you know that that sounds really good to me, yeah. We had that first love, heartbreak, romance way back. All the reasons why the sad is over doesn't seem to matter after all. Take me to the place I love. I wanna hear you sing that. go hurt yourself. I need to know what I've done wrong and how long it's been going on.
Good morning, it's the next morning. I had such a good time last night that I actually didn't end the video. So this is me ending it. So if you enjoyed me and Al at the All Saints, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.